Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Cool Tech Assist. So today I'm going to discuss on the topic that how can you stream more than two scenes together on the YouTube platform. Basically, this is not a very difficult trick, but I have searched video about this topic on YouTube and I found only two videos. But sadly, those videos are not related to the main this topic. Like they are showing something else. Those videos are showing something else. So I thought of finding a trick so that you guys, especially the streamers, can stream two scenes together on YouTube. So what you have to do is you need to download two softwares for that. Okay, why two softwares? Because I'm going to show how to stream two sessions or two scenes together, and but you can also stream multiple sessions or multiple scenes together. But that is totally dependent on your PC specs or laptop specs on which you are streaming actually. Let's say you have a PC or laptop having specs like i5 processor and having RAM 8 GB. So it's better to go for two live sessions or two live scenes, not more than that. But if you are having a PC or laptop of having more specs, better specs, then obviously you can stream multiple scenes. And now what you have to do, we have to download two uh, applications or softwares for your PC. I am using Windows, so I am downloading softwares for Windows only. So two softwares for two live sessions. So if you want to stream three live sessions, or if you want to stream three live scenes, then you have to download three softwares. Okay, so I'm showing you to stream two scenes. That's why I need to download this software, XSplit. This is an encoder, and this link is xsplit.com. I'll share this link in the description box, and you have to click on download broadcast. Since I've already downloaded it, and I am also installed it. It's very pretty easy to install. You just click on the download button, it will download it, and just click upon install, and it will be installed on your PC. Now the next thing is you have to download Streamlabs. Streamlabs OBS. It's a very famous software, and most streamers use this software only. So just you need to go to streamlabs.com and download it. See, here is the download button. Download Streamlabs. It will be downloaded. The size is too large, 240 MB, but still it will be downloaded depending on your speed, how fast you can download it. And after downloading this software, you have to install it as I said. I'll also share this link in the description box. And let come to the main point right now. So what you have to do is you have to open xsplit.com. Okay, so I have already opened this, and when you first open it, you have to log in with your YouTube account, like the account through which you are going to stream. You have to log in with that account. And what you have to do is, suppose I'm going to broadcast this thing, Flipkart site. Okay, so I'm going to broadcast this thing. So after you log into your Spirit broadcaster, you have to add a source. Like I'm adding a source for screen capture and then window capture. See, I have opened a Flipkart one, so online shopping site for mobiles. The same link you can find here as well. So online shopping, so this I'll be clicking on this. Yeah, so you can see that the window is visible. Now you can drag this to enlarge it and fit to your screen accordingly. Okay, and once you are done with this, go to YouTube. Then press on go live as you normally do while streaming. Yeah, then go to stream now classic. You have to always remember that when you're streaming from XSplit, you have to come to classic mode, otherwise you won't be able to stream it. Now See, the channel name is Football Life. Suppose I am writing it like ABC. The info is ABC as well, and let's say it's a sports category, and I am making it private so that nobody sees this video. I'm doing it for you guys. We go to exploit. Now the main thing is you have to go to broadcast. Okay, so you have to go to broadcast and set up a new output. Okay, so you have to click on set up a new output and then YouTube live. Okay, it will be opening with someone like this. Okay, now what to do? See, here is a link where they tell authorize expect to use YouTube live. Now I have to click on this. You guys need to click on this link so that your YouTube account is linked. So I've clicked on authorize this link and authorization link, and this came up. So I'll click on this Football Live. And since I have logged in with Football Live, this channel, so the channel name came out. Now what to do? What you have to do is press on OK. So if you want to broadcast it, tap on broadcast. Right. So this is created. This has been created. Now click on YouTube Live Football Live. This one. As soon as you click on this, you will find a window like this, and it's a stream now. Obviously, you're going to stream it now. And title is ABC, description is ABC, same private sports. Okay, same thing. You have to do the same, everything same. Like what you have done previously here. Like I'm talking about over here. What you have written here. You have to do the same thing over here as well. And you have to click on start broadcast. Once you press on start broadcast, it will be live on your YouTube channel as well. It is offline. It will turn going live in the upcoming minutes, I think. Yeah. So see, you can see that it is live. Okay. Now I'm just reloading this page so that I can find that this is actually working. Just a minute. Yeah. So you can see that this is live right now. Okay. Now the next thing. Now go to your Streamlabs OBS. You log in with your account. The same thing, you have to log in. Then you have to create a scene, Creek Buzz, because I'm going to share a Creek Buzz page, let's say, like window capture only, and add source, add a new source instead, window capture, let's say Creek Buzz itself. I'm giving the name Creek Buzz. Yeah, so I have added a source. Now let's say I have opened a Creek Buzz over here like this. Creek Buzz, yeah. Okay, so let's say I've opened in a new window, and open this. You have to click here, like we have to click on this one, not automatic. You have to change from automatic to Windows graphics capture, and then press on done. So you can see that it's live as well. Yeah, it's not live actually. The window is getting captured. Now you have to press on go live. You press on go live. Not what you have to do is go to your Chrome, live stream. I mean, go to your YouTube account and go to stream. Once you're done that, so here what you have to do is you have to create a new title. Let's say that was ABC. This is DEF, and this I'm making it private so that nobody sees it. The description also DEF, and let's say it's a sports again, and create stream. Yeah. So that's pretty easy here. You don't have to put to info again. So you can see that connecting streaming software to restart preview, and it will be connected soon. Let's wait. So see, so there is a green button, so that means it has been connected with the Streamlabs OBS. Not now, what you can do is uh, press on go live. Yeah, so it is going live, and you will find that you are live. So here you can see there are two streams live on your channel. If you go on live over here to see your channel content, see, you will find both the things are live simultaneously. Both the things are live. This is also live and this is also live. Since my internet speed is not so fluent right now because it was raining today, so both the streams are live right now. And I don't know what happened with this page. Yeah, I guess now it's okay. So both the things you can see they're live, and yeah, this is it. So if you liked my video, please hit the like button. If you disliked my video, please hit the dislike button. If you're new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload a new video on my channel. And you know one thing, when you subscribe to my channel, it feels really good. It keeps me motivated, highly motivated rather. And don't forget to comment below if you are facing any doubt, and I'll be there to help you out, obviously. Okay, so that was it. So have a good day ahead.